Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, Married with a Life. Amewowor. Amewowor is born out of my main vision, Single with a Life, which is about effective singleness and marriage preparation. The motto for Single and Married with a Life is equipping singles and couples for purpose and better marriage. I'm sure that you will agree that cooking is one of the ways singles and couples can be equipped. If you visit our Facebook page and the YouTube channel Married with a Life, you will see some of the teachings there which will impact your life. If you are single, you can also go on the Single with a Life Facebook and YouTube channel to benefit from the teachings that will help you to become an effective single. In today's episode of Kitchen Romance, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare peri peri chicken and green rice. I'll quickly take you through the ingredient that I have for today. I'm going to blend this together. That's black peppercorns, thyme, garlic, hot pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 chicken stock cubes, and this is 3 tablespoons of paprika. I've got my yellow bell peppers, ginger, onions, 1 lemon, my rice, red wine vinegar, olive oil, honey, broccoli, cucumber, and my chicken breast. I'm going to get my chicken breast ready. I'll just put some lines in them. And then I'll turn it around and make another lines like that. This is how I want it to be. I've got the spices blended. I'll squeeze the lemon juice in there. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to transfer this into the baking tray. I'll pour this in. I'm going to cover this with baking paper and put it in the oven. Whilst the chicken is in the oven, let's get our green rice started. This is broccoli and cucumber juice. I blended and sieved it. I'll start off with my dry herbs. This is Italian herbs, chili flakes, I don't go without my peppercorns. I just crush a little bit in them. Allow this to heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then the next thing I'll do is to add my ginger and onions. I will let this fry for at least 5 minutes. I want it to brown. Next, I will add my yellow bell peppers. I'm making green rice, but this yellow bell peppers is to give it a nice yellowish contrast. I will now add 2 vegetable stock cubes. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. At this point, I will add my cucumber and broccoli juice. You see, very green. This is honey. Because of the taste of the greens, it's a little bit bitter. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. This is just to cancel out the bitter taste. You can taste and make sure that the salt content is fine. I will leave this to boil before I add the rice. Now boiling nicely. Next thing is to add the rice. You have to keep an eye so that it doesn't burn. If you feel you need to add more water, this is the point, to sprinkle some water on it. Let's leave it to continue to cook. This looks very yummy. Kitchen romance will always bring you a complete meal. That's what makes us special. Let's dish this out. The other things that make Kitchen Romance on Married with a Life special is the fact that I'm not a YouTuber, so I'm not doing this to earn money for a living. It's all about impacting the lives of our singles and our couples. I've put the rice in this container to give it a nice shape. There are cooking channels whose main agenda is literally to make cooking videos every day or once a week, because that's all they do. But in Married with a Life, the cooking series is just one of the many things that we do. You may not see me coming up with videos every day or once a week, because there are other things that we are focusing on, which our singles and couples can benefit from. If you like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Married with a Life, you are not only going to be receiving videos about cooking, but also inspirational and teaching videos that will really help you to make the most of your married life. If you are single, equally like our Facebook page and YouTube channel, Single with a Life. If you are watching this video from my personal YouTube channel, Peace Amewowor, please leave a comment, like the channel, and don't forget to share this with your friends. Let's see how well cooked this is. Let's see. This is looking very yummy. Let's have a bite and see how it tastes. If you've had the Nandos Peri Peri chicken before, this tastes exactly that. I can literally finish this chicken within 2 seconds. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.